Hi everybody, it's Ms. Howell here. I'm going to try Screencastify this week for my weekly update. I miss seeing you. I miss your faces, but I am excited to be able to proceed with some statistics, and I have some class updates for us to review. So everything is posted in Canvas, and I'd like you to look at the top here, the weekly plan, and now I've posted some class updates. So let's start there. So just a reminder that our goals for this class are to learn statistics skills and concepts from the Common Core math curriculum. And then we want to connect those concepts to your future learning, to industry and the workforce, to government applications, to health applications, and to our community. As you're working through these things, please remember, do what you can do to meet your goals. Don't worry about the rest. Your health and mental well-being are the most important thing, and I really mean that. I know that this has been a really difficult situation for everybody, myself included. To that end, our school board met and has changed, and our school has changed its grading policy a bit. So we were in school up until March 13th, and as of March 13th, you had a grade. And your grade cannot go down for any reason post March 13th. So if you have missing assignments after March 13th, they don't count in your grade. If you do assignments after March 13th, they will count in your grade unless they don't help you. If they don't help you, then they'll be exempted. So I hope that that makes sense, and I hope that that gives you some relief in this class and in your other classes. If you have any questions about your grade, please contact me directly with email. I also finished the plan for the rest of the school year so we could kind of see what we're going to study. Last week we were looking at samples and surveys and polling, and we're going to continue that theme by looking more deeply at the census. And we're going to look at world population statistics and population pyramids. Then we're going to go back and study normal curves and normal distributions. I think the stuff that I asked you to do back in March was a little too abstract, so I'd like to look at what this actually means. And then we're going to apply it to something called sampling distributions. And basically what we're going to do is use the normal distribution to look at a field of industry called quality control. So all of the manufactured things that you use in your house came out of a factory, and in that factory they had to do quality control. They had to make sure that those produced goods met certain criteria. So we're going to look at that process. Then we're going to shift gears and look a little bit more at science. So we're going to look at scatter plots and designing experiments. And then at the end of the class, we will do some reflection. So what are we doing this week? So I have what we're doing this week listed in Canvas. Also, if you like the calendar stream, you can view the course calendar and see exactly what we're doing. We've got 2 assignments on Monday, 1 on Wednesday, 2 on Friday. Each day I tried to design it to be about 30 to 40 minutes of work. So this Census 2020 assignment is a video to watch. This misleading statistics assignment also is a video to watch. There's a couple of steps for this assignment, so the whole thing should take about 30 minutes. And then there's 2 things on Friday to take a look at. I'm hoping that you will find these things interesting and applicable. I can vouch for the fact that they will support your learning in statistics. You'll also see these items on the right-hand side of the screen, and that's another way to access them. Finally, I will continue to put them in the Statistics Weekly Plan, which looks like this. So this has the whole thing. It's got our objectives, it's got the assignments linked, and then if there's something that counts for points, it's linked in here as well. Okay, so I hope again that you are well. I don't want to forget, another thing I'm asking you to do this week is to do this statistics class check-in. I'd like to know how things are going, and I need some feedback from you. So how is online learning in general, and then how is online learning going in this class? Any feedback you could give me would be extremely, extremely helpful. So that concludes my message for this week. I hope you're doing really well. If you have questions, please let me know, email me, and I will answer them as fast as I possibly can. Take care, everybody, and I'll send another message next week.